Getting high, getting low, never getting where you need to go. Looking left, looking right, never knowing what you're looking for. Can you see me in the light? I got my arms outstretched and I'm reaching for you. I don't know if you're one step behind or one step before. We're running out of time. Quit playing with your makeup and just make up your mind. 'Cause the early bird gets the worm and the rest is left there at the wayside. You feel the day, you feel the night, hardly feel anything inside. You know the words, you know the song, you just can't seem to sing it right. Can you feel me in the darkness, my eyes wide open, thinking at you? I don't care if you're ready or not, 'cause I'm coming for you. I'm running out of patience. Stop twiddling your thumbs and just stop wasting my time. You worry about the consequences. Sometimes you gotta take those chances. Then you will find that the early bird gets the worm and the rest is left there at the wayside. The early bird gets the worm and the rest is left there at the wayside. Sometimes you gotta take the bull by the horns and to drop off a head. We all wear our own crown of thorns. Life is like that. Still the early bird gets the worm and the rest is left there at the wayside. Still the early bird gets the worm and the rest is left there at the wayside. Sometimes you gotta take the bull by the horns to drop off a head. We all wear our own crown of thorns. Life is like